say over better tap. Box no fewer. And the which means about one party. The window measures around there. Would you bear crack? You show you bill what a bill. I told that cry, you to be boo. Flowers so now, society. I create work with the children of the Coco City. A be happy, we, and yes, CCTV camera now, a capture the way no museum. We bet you one tear said that's a fancy. When you park on crown, fancy we, one of master billet. Now, boss, now, one of you. Now, as some say, at one, boss, the banana chichi watch and run. Why a crown you back as only from one collaborating with me. Now, social fire, you do a fast one. And you're good to my show which I don't want it. Say, Nipa by a very wicked Nipa Bonia does there be a videos of our time. I may catch you say, we are not in good times. A brave woman, a brave Bonipa, Nipa, Bonia, Nipa, Nipa, Bimama, post these days. It be a way, be a Madafne, also walk a graffiti, be a way, be a 1 young, on the other side and come on. I'm on 46 May or 9. Yamayani now, then you put 24. I don't show. I got up water purification tablet and a food lovers rice or madama. And the videos of our time April. I will feel graduated so Adom 106.3 FM HB Besha Semwa. Yet you on for a Nafi says Scotland around the world in 5 minutes April. On Adom 106.3 FM Nafi. I get a sponsor so I trust. But nonsense, I was shy. Delivery service, I will grab in my depot. By Kankets in Global. They say Global down my team. BBA, they say contemporary ship. Every on that, go back, be a war. Yes, we money matters for one after Sadisco traffic light, we also cost work a cry. And the Fidelity Bank, a woman be a Garian Bisbio, a correct bar. Now, say, meaning, say, woman, or more connecting to Global Nusu. They say, I'm out for business and high tech. It's woman, I mean, some small girl be all. And I say, Ukrasa, a year, machine be a point of service. And we are rest work at you want to so there's another order on Global. Say and I was a global today, a contemporary temptino. Say, any poor honor DQ, said they air top, go benign. Say, global, you know, on the bape, on bay and sharp, because one not to do now what you want done the other. But I say, the Japan or kind of noise, the next time I say, not to be pack here, global ne back wage here, this year, yellow, green is out. I just said, 1 year to say, will be out of that, go back. Seven watches it. I'm off with you now. I'm gonna be told why you didn't go to that. Oh, blue. Sharp. And you will be to me all that. Favorite food from that special restaurant. Now you deliver the amount come. And now we'll package your person deliver to Cobebia. You better come at the amount. Or person shopping for groceries near there. From that supermarket. You can do all on Global. Global app. It's not only easy to use and convenient, but what may I expect to orders delivered to you in minutes. It's about you download the Global app from the Google Play Store or App Store. Now sign it up. Then use the promo code Global Day GH. That is GLOVODEYGH. Global Day GH. Now bring your 10 CDs off your first order with Global. Yes. GLOVODEYGH. Global Day GH. Use the sample code now be 10 CDs off your first order with Global. Global. Order anything and get it delivered in minutes. Oh, now I say. And remember myself from college now I'm fun for. But the power one was your way. The only new call in the banner. No,
This is Adom FM, and this is Stereo Justice.
exclusive Europa and Conference League matches also cost on Super Sport. Now, third reason, the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and also One Magic. And the fourth reason, the unbeatable DSTV app. Yeah, no more to be managing for accounts. Yeah, what me actually be on the move. And also, reason number 5, we have fresh box office movies every week. And the sixth reason, DSTV catch up. And also, one more to me catch up with every episode. Be as a Kobase, favorite series be some missing an episode. What me on the 7th reason, and I say premium subscribers, Ebenya Show Max added for free. Now, reason number 8, compact and our compact plus subscribers no and your show max for 50%. The toss number 9, captivating and educational kids content. And our final reason, EPL, La Liga, Serie A games in and over to me out to a DSTV decoder with installation and 1-month access subscription for only 169 cities. Which means we are upgraded to compact for an additional 108 cities. Now when you want now chrono. If I chose send the DSTV code 1731. Nejina so never to air on so DSTV. This is your moment. If I try another no so dia kogu nyame ya adom a ye hwe anim say next week so Tuesday and our first day say and no so de be hye so na de omu ne say sabre ya for aboye another no abawie and throughout the month of October woman Tema Women's Hospital organizing free breast cancer screening. It's in patch every Tuesday and Thursday and on part 8 a couple and you remain on 9 say 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And this time we our Tema Women's Hospital premises why a job foundation be na court na examine unufu no ma why or how be by ni mwani mi ya ni betimi asum tentem ni akrakra ansa na ginsem and one sem one na records night jumedi no so baso den we air the Salt and Light Music Ministry and our favorite choir, the Harmonious Chorale, and the Akabum this Ange we Records Night, bringing you your favorite chorale and classical hits from back in the day, reminiscing the good tunes now Philippa, those that you loved most. You need there, bro. Theme and also, Lord, you've been our dwelling place in all generations. We fear Psalm 90 verse 1. Just say, it's going to be a live virtual concert streaming on Harmonious Chorale YouTube channel on Sunday, the 24th of October, 2021, 6 p.m. Yeah, I know I share so why. But what they also best subscribe to the Harmonious Chorale Ghana YouTube channel. What me are joining to relive the golden moments of the olden days. For further information, contact TN 0268 130 615 now 0243 588 8467 and also 0302 772 013. Abusua Enchebia by Kankepsi MTN Doormaster under Puma Paint Depot and our Greenfield Scientific Ball Clinic for Adama. Your boy room near Shasem, why did you home for an area?
Yes, one smoke at them in register. This one, it's my one in the tower.
Yes.
I'm one, you need it for.
Oh, and there, Ampa.
But the video down here, run and now I'm pregnant. And now what did you want?
medical cloth handkerchief now we are now aside their show to no there be. As an arena now the chinchi. And also look out for floral toilet roll, floral multi-purpose paper towels, floral table napkins, as well as floral box tissues. They are available in a shop near you. But the door part of there. Obefre Delta Paper Meal Limited. Now ya sorted. Now the Rubio Yebiano on Setimiaka. Number 0243 033 033. Dominion about partners so one with me build a strong immune system. I really agree that. I said one normalize blood pressure. I feel while walking here now say heart related problem be also a year few amount. Stroke diabetes now and put you when you be out to a 20k pharmacy. It was so when your phone call gives and a fees in either pharmacies. I'm not ready for Elko Yamiti as a herbal. I got your phone so called health as well. I want to OPD or turn in the air. And I'll go room where you get down and then people turn the working day. Harry Pro Pharmacy. Is that it? One for which Harry Pro. Over the door party 0543 158 195 and I'll pay 020 429 6449. Now on the Angel Dominion Bar Center, I won't go. Eddie Komo Kama Bar. Ofie Kwanso, Adom 106.3 FM. Man in Kosonda, yeah. I'm going to be Osei Bonsu on Facebook says, good afternoon, Jerry. Please wish my only sister, Chris Cross, was a day. And you did Chris Love, Osei Bonsu. Wish my sister, Chris Cross, Osei, a champoma, or wine. Happy birthday. All right, so, quickly, you know, Yantra and then Assam, you did to your food. Pretty simple. And Assam say, if you don't go after what you want, you will never get it. Theo, if you don't go after what you want, you will never get it. Push yourself to the limit and commit yourself, because no one will do it for you. I say we could or say, if you don't go after what you want, you will never get it. Push yourself to the limit and commit yourself, because no one will do it for you. Jo, obi anyama wo aje wa. Na se 1 2 anamon am pede wo hwe na kiri akwan a enya de a won sabeka. And until you thought that to me say a more ding to me say I just want pass what and I say and that's will be any baby, but you still need to do something. Don't just sit there. No, I cross all nine now don't say show them reform now to nothing will happen. Be new busy. But if you want something to happen, then you need to make a move. Until you make a move, nothing will happen. So go after what you want. When we say deal we now pay, a dream we now pay so ye. To swan among the fact that you went there 1 2 3 4 times now, Anfano and say Oko Sa Kusi the 10th one across still Enfa. Debbie. Sometimes about to me maybe the last move no. You were baby or yebu. Oh me refi how it goes. Or say it's the last key of the bunch that opens the doors, and something like that. On say a bunch of keys need doors. Young fans who crack keys. I doors be brave. Safwano. Marco be 15 different kinds. But one lock, one door, and our person will be. Fansa won't see you. But ya catch us a connect for be 50 or bra. That thing means a lot to you. Who could do an open tem? Who the key back when you see a noa? We are in fact, it's a saying, Safwa, and you lock nimby. But sad dona na ujina on a 1 S or fan what media enter. Now, that thing that means a lot to you. Now, the another one is him. Obey in fact. Ube try kiss this auntie. The all you say. What try back on fire? No one what taking note of her. No, now then what's separating the attention. Then you try another one. It is a kiss near 20 because you don't know the exact key. No, what the kiss 20 now? Bet try to bet test. It be out of the 20 keys. No, it be at the toss of 12 now. They try no, and the be farmer be the amount. So imagine say we do the 8th key. No, I found out just what brain alcohol. On Saturday there can adikuna alcohol. Fasa principle we for brana obono. Sometimes ubetimi akwa 12 one cry enfa. Just a why ya because the last one the 20th key no and they be do na ma. Na wetimi ensa ka de ohwehwe no. It meant now sa say be a why na ye ntinu you want to end it. There be keep on keeping on. Make a move. One yes ana so better for akondia enya dia on sabe ka hwe. If you don't go after what you want, you will never get it. Sometimes I say what break a cry, I say wabomu yebu, but I say second part, or say push yourself to the limit. Koswane ko toko swane ye. Baby I say no there be you can still go further. Go to an amount kaka and commit yourself. It's I say one ya will be any mount. Ajewa you will not sit there. And then when you feel like sleeping, watch and want to pass no other, expecting say, Ubi Bebo Branamo, I'm ready. It doesn't work like that. You need to work your way through. You need to work your way out. And son, wait me make progress. Ako enim no wadi ye e was its name. And that's a woman no beche say in front to your phone. And when ye If you don't go after what you want, you will never get it. Push yourself to the limit and commit yourself, because no one will do it for you. Medawasi bebre. Your first was Dama Bright Garlic Plus capsules. The patro we Ofie Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic. There you say a boy ye pa improve blood circulation. Come on. Nothing so. A sign of boost your appetite and what made the ye and your son for so. A my immune system no wedding. A control cholesterol, blood pressure and a sugar levels. A catudin. And almost for bright soldier capsules aba. Or more libido no ako a besan bejina baby jina ni adia. A becos rukama. A way and canicus. Why am I one pumsy team? My best medicine now. There be a quiet day, so you see Gina no Kurenim, on the empire. Sexual weakness, no, a big year for you. We see your waist pain, and now crown or low sperm count. A bebo ye pa, why? For any trim, King's Walk Herbal, Hallow Herbal, Nina or Kanshi Drug Lane, alternated herbal shop across the country, Ubenyabio, Tribe of Judah or Kaswa, and yes, I call Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, Neko Jodie, phrase 0243 983 906, and our fee 0261 651 898. As they do on command MTN, and they or Chill, Sonata, Marco 25. Can't it teach Bruta? Now I'm a copper about who is when I'm saying, wow, heavy pa. Nina said, yes, celebrating a 25th anniversary. Where MTN at 25 mega promo. It costs where you use MTN number. For test, for browsing. What I say? Na, if I casa. Ne use MTN app, pause app. Momo no use. Ne build more points. Now, tia binya kaimu back with *156 hash. And on our dial. Now, beginning with Jenny, and now I show Jenny now the baby need begging us. Na bibia ko ye dia mo everywhere you go. Terms and conditions count ya share so why. Afide de so na ye de around the world in 5 minutes abrel no. Or say door master and Pugman paint depot. And they do the abano very simple. 5 to 10% discount on quality security doors with Turkish, German and Italian technology. Pa. Exterior steel security doors, internal steel security doors, bulletproof doors, armored doors, wooden metal doors, wooden panel doors, bathroom doors, glass doors, flash doors, whatever kind of door, Nina are available. Prices are so tough for me. Uber painter from why you partner with News Paint. Yeah, the paint now pay later abba. Shisheni Nani said churches, schools, hospitals, offices, government institutions, individuals, real estate developers. Yes, some magic painting fanko painting of facilities no. Nasi can yan spread the mum. Moon trade and kakra. Ewa bra yan for interest bia entoma wo. Umpe wina pedi. Oye chakwa yo Pugman on the Accra Kumasi Highway. Pugman to booth wa in fact original to booth wa when you and shop no. Fresh cia na yenin komo 0542 745 222 afi 050 021 2447. Na yedim komo correct one pa. Ladies and gentlemen, baby Edrus we says Scott Atnase. Na se watnase dia ene na eyedwumadi ba kope around the world in 5 minutes. With a remix of say wow. Say wow. What you about to go, sir? Says Cox,
Brajery.
says Cox,
Brajery.
Aquaba.
Yeni abrapeni.
Them are now what is saying?
Brajery yami adom. Yami vanisa. Yami adom de akeni. Na oswe.
Adom ninti me ho ye pa.
Ya da twedi ampo nyankopon basa ya adom nasi.
Yeah, you're fine.
Yeah,
you're fine.
Ya da yami ase.
Egumpa boss nso. Say numero ba batema so am yakwa so eno akọ bompa aka ken right bompa e pa ni ade a cheze
me mfi be bia me wona blatema na me ya
anyere empa de yo do be wa be bo bia so me pon traffic mi ende o sa me koto so aba bia mo adu na me de me ho agim o me timi ni o mo start eso da bia me ko week we mu na ejina mu sa na ade a okay edu ba bia on say de wi mu aye no one man pie boka crans one
you become the goose
I drink you quite by day yeah name in there so pie bonus was side was ali we and few more so worship to make in your choir bra
but
say was me to go and them ko timi ko bon pie so e gonna ko bon pie
it's one thing
Bradery Ginny food
yeah
Ginny sunflower cooking oil. Ginny rice.
Yeah.
Ginny mayonnaise.
Yeah.
Ginny milk. Ginny sardine.
Yeah.
All fruit product.
Yeah.
Food product.
Yeah.
Ginny.
Come up.
Oh, they win tea tomatoes. Ginny.
Yeah.
Bibia.
Ginny. Yeah.
Omu you nupe Ginny.
And a diakano.
Into Ginny food.
Yeah.
Mema me kasanwa makacho se wo store na wo team na opedodo etu ni eme ya frɛ wo mo dia from sisi a 0540 108 531
good
0540 108 531 o kan Ginny food o se e ma fie eye de Bradery welcome to Africa where a 30 years old pastor will call a 60 years old woman my daughter.
What's it?
Yes. Me say welcome to Africa. Whereby I suffer already 30 years. Friend, I'm already 60 years, my daughter. You are welcome to the country. You are welcome to the country.
Wow.
Yes.
Wow. Wow.
Now, we know, is it not lack of respect? She is now pregnant. She is now pregnant.
Yeah.
Because when the first result came out negative, they celebrated with another round.
Wait, she is now pregnant.
She is now pregnant
because
when the first result came out negative, they celebrated it with another round
of sex.
Hey, what do you have so?
Okay, sorry.
Okay. What do you? My mom found us not the
when you be the bossy was
and I feel the young vampire and I feel no. I didn't into the moment. You promise me it won't lead to this whenever I visit you. I really don't like this. Just close the door. Hope you have a condom. These are my women in Africa. These are my women in Africa.
That is one no just
some American legends will understand.
Yes. And I'm a legend.
You there you are. You are even an icon.
Because Matthias
you see, you are dating a married man. And you are upset because he saved your number engine oil.
Ose.
Who dated married man? Ubuafu adaya man no save with the engine oil. My sister, are you not a service station? Are you not? Are you not? I'm asking you, are you not? So why are you upset?
Yes.
Bradery u proverb o kan ya me remfida o mi wiase me buy na me be ka chiri. Jerry Justice once said,
Hey, to was
Mami
and me would be the show research.
Proverb o kan na me pesa Ghana 40 no mu di tu o mu tirim.
Not that one can channel off air.
Me come obi ate.
African.
Jerry Justice once said.
As Scott is saying.
Jerry Justice once said, as long as the bed shakes regularly in the house, there is peace at home. Me, I don't understand, but that's what he said. Or say, as long as the bed shakes regularly,
Which bed?
the bed,
B-E-D.
yes. According to Jerry Justice, or say, as long as the bed shakes regularly, the home is at peace. I'm just quoting from you. I'm just quoting.
No.
Africa married men, Africa married men have moved a lot of single ladies from poverty more than government social intervention schemes.
Wow.
Men am catch it. High down, no school fees. The married men, they are doing very well. Before you say there are no good men, just make sure you are a good woman.
Oh, okay.
Because most at times you attract the lifestyle you live.
So the man here no be na say or the boy say nipa phone the cancel phone.
It's before I say bema papa bi ani wiase no. Make sure say wo your ba papa. Essence most at times you attract the lifestyle. Enti na me am come as be say. Real men don't eat uncover food. To your banner way you who na wo hye niam, real men will never approach you because they don't eat uncover food. Yes. I know that now. Young Nigeria na make us okay. When them say 13 years old girl be atron crat at 10. Edi akoda in Nigeria Parliament House say children under age are woman di omoma aware no. The government should do something about it.
Children under age.
The children under age ube for 13, 14, 15 no money omoma aware. Bomo chira they should do something about our natural letter.
Wow.
Meka huwa obianim say a World Health Organization. Ethiopia in some nations on Brazil is what was. Omo chira ebe say sa insecurity na ekoso won so man hwe no man kana bibia nkoso totia ansha COVID-19 na say ekọ ebeti na break wo wa Brazil ebe the atete ne atepo yi ene beba nti wo mo chira wo mo bobodia NC anokoy.
Okay.
Midi wie no as a story where I'm saying
Story where
some Liberian teenager be on wabe national hero
about saying
say wako hu sika emu bi emfa ne se Ghana ha ebeye almost 500 million and odia koma owner no and omo bonabaso yes and omo bonabaso for the first into the omo bonabaso because Africa there's any be entire ANC akwano si okada rider.
Wow.
And we hu
Sir,
what you say fear ni be nko wo ho kwan say odi twa na num enso wo se da wonye wa bobode ya edisika no akomanira
okay.
Makoti proverb I will kai ma men dia Papa Bills so kai. Papa Bills once said Papa Bills once said if a married man say nipa na aware or say a married man without a girlfriend it's like having a car without a spare tire.
Papa Bills.
Papa Bills. See, and then you quote Papa what? And then you quoting me quote. African once said, nobody dances better than a pastor when it is an offering time. African once said, African. And then me go to you. Said the way I post the and the cat, I won't want to post the wood. You getting married with a woman who has a child does not make you a fool, my brother. The fool is the runaway dad. The fool is the runaway dad.
Okay.
Unim Brazilian wegeno. And you be an fatama. Some people, when they wear it a brajery, they look like poor Indians and divorced Somalians. Yeah, they look like poor Indians and divorced Somalians.
Okay.
Midi Edison score. Woko achimoda ye fe krobi KJB. Na chese woka
na
wejebi. French ni beka cho se je vel Capel. Na chese wote tete denya. Ye becho.
Okay.
Makra obi biara.
Yeah, I say Scott energy around the world in 5 minutes a brain. Yeah, the irrigated sports eba trust here. In the meantime, special greetings enko Emma Alexis Siama openi mema yako ne maame eda form na in fact maame na bobra na otwe wie na eyiyo no eba so ti na chese Saturday and a weekend 16th October na bibia be baso ewo Siama family house wo Nkoko Adweji ache se de ne betompam anopa no nan na de ba de bisi be se no sumu osana na oya akohwe aye burial service no Grace Presbyterian Church wo Nkoko Adweji na fi ayiyo no atoaso ne adea na mami obobrapa Mrs. Alice Biama Esiama. I just said 91 years. Kama pa from 1930 to 2021. Mama na bobra. Eti Alexis Siama nini nuanu na chaso seba mo na imu na kenke mu na ne ade na. Me mamu na hyede. Eti etachi bibia be kama. Nyame nka mo no chichi mu na ore na. E fa so so aton safre adofo ne agyamfo nyina se. Ya maame Mrs. Alice Biama Esiama dodo na afre no Auntie Alice na yiyo no na watwe wie ena baso wo Nkoko Adweji. Okay, yenhwe na afi yemfa irrigated sports entwaso na penifo atenase na also good afternoon Jerry. I want to thank God for this beautiful day. Greetings going out to my wife Victoria Nyako of Kolebu main kitchen and my children Belinda Nyako, Edric Nyako, Edria Nyako, and Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members Minami Chichi Omuna. That's it. Yes, we Ofie Kwanso WhatsApp group members Nina do believe some Namoye Nyame and come on. And a happy birthday going out to Edna Ukai Chi. A Capital View Hotel, Wokofridia from Hilda Uswe Chan, wishing you a happy birthday. Yaman penny phone kasa na yemiekwa mnafi yamfa irrigated sports and twaso.
Well, please, irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engagement, and perfect unexpected. So listen to irrigators of you gold and
the idea na more technicians man why na more technicians na there be but we didn't answer antino omomra no mehwe na the idea nyesa be address there. Okay. Yama sof kumchacha enso mram na yenhwe se ono so ne de za na be ya.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
Amen. Sisi.
Other for me didn't Sisi Chum. The Biamiti I there's no day because Mitia Miniji, now Mistress.
One problem. Be anyway, won't be okay. Yama offer and to us now.
I get sports or Adom 106.3 FM.
Okay, when was there at night? Timo, I'm on Facebook. No, technician who join now, who join Machino is that. Why am I not my years on one? Kwame Akwaba. And put him to say,
Jana do your temple, and I feel some penny force, so they say no Musu, home. Sans the same columns, so you're doing your own, you know, some penny for drink idea.
Akwaba.
Yadu.
Sir, where? Nadia.
And then I may bonny American and say, Medium say, Yache.
African, open water than the
because you see, I can't make calculations. You eat 2015 picture be a champ. There's a crime crab by if you soon ever you.
Nana, a Satan of Finana, who will say a wagon.
Nobody woman that
come here,
2015. Was a M1 2016, they call a Yina, Kwame Beshe proper. Okay,
canopy, I studio.
And your canopy.
At Tapoli.
Sure, no, so. We're friends. Oh, one with the friend. A flexi banner, a flexi banner.
Yeah, the banner,
a flexi banner.
And easy. Okay, now
your core retirement home. No, there be
because before crash till before say Kwame Beban.
Yeah.
Say a capito.
Yeah.
And Sagari Berry.
Only ifu. Yeah.
Eti
when na many when
me be join and a capito Edwane.
Yeah.
And a cabinet Sagari Berry.
E ka only ifu.
Inze me kani ma mwa openi ache.
It is no. The crack and said the old Cassia Chachi. Any Miss Minier.
Oh, yes, I know my check you as I am.
Any one day to treat you.
Why am I to born up?
I wanted to treat you. Mayor.
Kwagu
Akwaba.
Yeah,
say and put me.
Oh, Yanko Padum. Tiasi Didier and Mujidi Fusani dear. The man so double Jimon. I said that. Yeah, pa. You didn't catch it.
BBR be fine.
Is that a wrong attachment? I don't want more dupa. I mean, sometimes no Niska. Okay, Cranany. Then a name woman.
I only just can know from who's coming to from.
Oh, yeah, sure.
Or Vinska, I feel Cran upon this was a year. Open his base, my best.
I'm also saying,
no come to me, pa. Now, I am a dream was say. To say, dear Cran, I'll be this is here. It is a doctor for income was him.
And they be on the back.
It's a baby. Almost once. And I said, oh, Puma could do face once and also some say at the answer.
But the second in the money I said, dear, I said, I was 3 hours later. I found wonder.
When she says, I'm
but I know, dear, it has
medically,
scientifically says, so did that's a nearby 3 hours now. Our effects be pre.
Oh, any, my boy container.
Now, Sassam will cry until you now. Was on to catch all.
Now, because I'm here.
There is I don't.
I take another 2 hours.
As I find a few programs you all couldn't know. The me to quite pass said, may call be I just a bear 12.
Yeah,
no, a quan of swapra.
Yeah,
but you.
I'm somebody the
Sana, I am a young for when so say, and I drink, but me and I do have in the money jumper.
And yet, quite name any pebin as service, only maybe answer Frank and agree the best.
If you rest during the day and travel in the night,
better cry.
It's not about you. A quine swap, Bokina Kebi Apollo Dunio, on the can say, or Yahabina,
light to be as a crane or the trauma.
A 2 pianist on an islet, and on an no, then just idea.
And I also saw your queen, yeah, I don't know.
My grand never be so.
There be, and yes, or be chum growing, and then we say, oh, you know, cry.
It's an adoption of the woman, and I also need rest of the pre. esa bro seni ade no ekwan so no rest stop ni ade 24 hours bibia ni obetumba ha de bi ni wasa toyin ka kra no yense da ni bia e adwuma 24 hours ni se bi wo wasa ade
your sister when say
unim se kwan ya mo ye
yeah
sisi a wotisi free of anko ebe frako donte on ka ba ko pese ya na interchange ni nyina mfa so bi ani sibe mu and answer in say me di so more na nim ho
man ya say me okay
achimota more nim ho
24 hours obani o 24 hours ya okay na say anan wanda be 11:30 getting to be 40 more baby sa no ena ye besen ko tantra
anadro
me ne me kapo bina ndi me ko jaro na e ko di nkomo a o yusu Range Rover ibina ye ba kwan mu baby na minim se na ensuo no se ibina ye na e bofo me kwa ihu se entutu kura na kura ka se ija na atoka no ti ye bo achihwe na che se overheat na ye ye bi mu na ya anti
Range Rover overheat
anti se ye be gina ama adwo na ya pensuo sa na adwo no e de aron sa ande
mo twa fa
na che se enienka yenya to minka binanka oron de kusi ne fi na nke no ano tiwe na ye ya na yetiminya taxi driver bi na oyeso okay ye nkona ya na to info ni bi wo kwan ho oron ya kodu ne du oro edini na mi refi ye fa say ye obo ade a ebia obo ade 24 hour to service
enzo no ada
24 hour ne so ni we ye da ye bo number bono be bomusa wafa bomusa wafa afi be 5 times e bomu no fa ne so opani se ni tika no se e wo hin fa no so sa time no de ofa wa pon eduma si o na se ka no what wrong 24 hour to service also dey you at e bot time na bo
24 hours fa so uko faki ya no chima be ka
that day no
come on 24 hours no but about 12 hours
go for ba ju se physical
abrucha ko ni ho ya sem na
28 ba be na no ko say 28 ya
abani yi ayi adanyum tu yi na me fanya analysis bi ayi me ba mo che na matwe mo se kan on za anyu
kwa ko ene o hwe nwum no ana
na ba ko yi hwe dede
o hwe nwum no ana Kumasi Asante Kotoko awaya na adwen so obegu Ghana ni Kumasi man anim ase no matter what it takes o makoya o made ni biem ye no ma na tukuro no mo se da bi ajako ja achi afno wo
ene ajeko
da bi ene obi ani biem
e bi enye ajeko ja achi pacho adako
ja achi ahonya o mu da bi o mbobo na ko bo container mu enti o mu ko Dubai na bu bu o makatem ko Dubai kwagu me ko manya ne ntia se yase o mu ti labor camp bi enti na mu ntwa picture wa boncha so mu didi ansa na mo twa picture Masada atuo because on yesterday when mama Dubai out mama report by Saturday triba Monday ye ombia no remember tie for kwaku obegie ni se kotokofo ene third division akobobo Dubai ama
yeah get your
na kwa no news o kasa second division team no
Dabio blasters omo be ba oh Dabi ba one after the other one after the other oh tie
weather for now man jamo na sense
mama kwa mi tie
match am boy nyina mu
you are not on the floor train answer Kwame be flu name mu Kwame Ghana Blasters angasa kra no na no ade team be na wen no boy ya omo train dey kra na ye ka say omo ye ayi hwan division team
ko ama Tetros ade mu
kra ntia fi ade na fi kasa okay o dey ye that no standing o dey to aso o dey fa ko
na ye me ya ne say sania boy si ebeko na o new place o ma sign makoma nan na ball ni bi say we yesi hwan mo mbu baby say hwan esumpoji wona otitwi
me kai pa so me ka
o de ka de office oka
we so about team zebu
oh me see ka de office oka
wa ku unim sa be no
esu minim ka minim ba ose abrokuma busha ni mpo e na etikuma akwaduro yi
the new place almost say no first match am do mo board Dubai and say second
in Dubai o
second division team
Dubai
and second division team team no credit what e be adreho Al Hilal
oh entu nti sa team we di da
second division team
and then I inform so the answer
I saw 1-0 I want to make the cap because that's the kotoko it is kind of one you could buy second division team like some would buy
you could di koda pu
I know to know
yeah in shankrem
I don't know what kind of krano
yeah in shankrem
me say kotoko said he na start say we dia and is a team no munya build just about to house of folk now all Africa na dia hey 13 ne yan se wo anya 13 ne
okay
it go go omo boka gu kwa duba ne dia ko san we na mo samra me dey so kotoko dia no just say opani e dey lecture ko say aduma no onye biem me kan ho asam kire on ra wo dey say anima bi enko yie enti aduma no tinten to wonye
okay
when opani opin so esaba na ntuma no chen say
hey
oye nintuma
sabana ntuma
e ka sabe na kana sa
oh yes sabana ntuma bia
hey
oh yes sabana ntuma bia
ora
ma sabana ntuma me ko yes sabana ntuma bia o sabana ntuma
why
opin so sabana ntuma
me kan
Facebook live me na mchu film
kwa kututi sabana
kwa metawaji going
o sabana ntuma no siminia
now
odi jai
okay
ko ni mo
o baby on say asawon kan you grab
kwa ku apin so sabana ntuma
so ye ntuma ndai
sabana ntuma saba
ebu he
me ka so digu bia bia so sabana ntuma no
Facebook live na me ma film
go kuma
man for na
o chen say adwuma mia na me frɛ wo abo ni na ma frɛ wo me be nya kokuduro sai me wana boy
dana samo
en be nku na nifa it me srɛ wa resignation ni me srɛ wo aba ha de na nso me ma wo resign na to aso ye adwuma no na confusion wa nyina no e ko so okrom ha na mo sa ti Dubai ni ya sai so mo dia na minim de team ne be so wo kyerɛ o wi atimu agwago
wa wi
ya sa no wakata
wa wi
no so
ai
Kwame so wasere Kwame
unu makenka mi o de letter no na
can you read
come what kind of woman here
can you read it do you have it do you have a copy of it
no
do you have a copy of it
wasere no a
Kwame
so wasere no a
Kwame do you have a copy of the letter no do you have a copy of it no I want us to read it
Sadio we say otu for fa de ofa ni unim sakasa na
ofa ni bu sade
okay
kwa kutie papa no so bad
osere no
or letter ko otu for on chance
letter no a copy of it you have it
ayi ti go even na eduma na ko letter ye me kan say
na ka u bi sesi amia he
we mu yenu ti meta Babu, the pussy and say, Papa no, otu for say on chair resign. My name resign as it is now on dear. Papa no,
baby out no hene be na o sa sa.
Me mu wa me ni wo hene bi o. Babu, say as we speak now dear. Papa no resign no anya amaso.
Hweu tiu or say please correct it. Otumfo did not beg him not to resign.
Oh no, me buy.
Wait. No, Kwame. Sign can was and Kwame. Wait, Sky, not to cry. Me pa order what can you? No. Wait. Hold on, please. Boko, me ba. I Kwame the second chance. Na asem no on sign can for.
Kwame say, Papa did not take you want on your beam. For say on train. That you want on twice on yet. Now you won't be on obey.
Okay,
doesn't wear so as a
you say chopper be anybody. Yeah, retracted. Still, I do say, echo that
he's persuading him to stay.
Why not?
I don't want to use the word begging, but I'm persuading him to stay.
Kotoko hene po bicho so on kotoko so.
But man let her quiet. Man let her quiet. Oh, after the other.
Or the quiet.
And
Kotoko hene ompo bicho so binyana djuma man. Dem pesa me catch on tia dey you hold film.
Mama the opportunity. Mama the opportunity. Say asem no mini de o kan kind foforo you know eno afere wasa wasa say dey kogu but they say dey cry dey wasa no
but so ka so be jai ko si tuma djuma yi na ko si tu fie ba na wa nya djuma ne ya
there be I happen bebre but question empire me cho say Jerry men konda okasa tell me say I shouldn't go but it me ko nya be say or pa me cho say me say on pa me cho say ya na Jerry pa cho men ko but on one advice no catch say master this is the so stay
is the right way.
No, he asked me not to leave. So that's all. So just say yes. But why should you answer begging? He's begging him to stay.
Are you begging him to persuade us?
Yes.
I said, I can on to you. When him,
but my mama comment yesterday ubetimi edi fell ati ase edi agro but no kure wo mu nyina ne say even yemfa otumfo asem to nchen me de ho de empese meka kumasi asante kotoko yemra ne de say ukuma pemo apembeba
na ma pemo nkwa
oh kwam cheze nyo na te kotoko ene nyo na behwe kotoko so akosi awie eden ya ne time beso the time so ye kra na mkrofo pese ye gitim ni free ni nsem otumfo na so onto aso ya no akwa koto team se ne ye si ni tuanye tuana ne katwom so ni team no betima ya mana be se kotoko a ade asem na me no
asem anokwa na wokan entimi nye
se enye ono enti na kotoko te ase ono ye obi a odokotoko and why not just obey what team? Edru, oh, me ba, me can't menka. Edru time of all says small person kotoka now, don't know Makotokono, a swati, in 20 years, you man or qua. You perform from Babby Herman.
I also come some money.
Mimi tell you, yet the mammy American.
And also come some money.
One is woman and go.
Papa is one transfer. Papa is one person transfer.
Oh, dear, now can't say you only must have
resignation letter them and make us
away.
Oh, to go, but I don't want to
out to Miss Letter away resignation. One has a problem for a new movie. We are general tea. And yet you'll be back out when I convoke our dinner near the bar, Cabana in a court. One has a woman let me to come and you should all me only let it ya. Eti enkrofo eye rumors wa bonte ukra betimi akase o say en enkrofo keka but say the usika na emphatically say the wunim no
let on the call
mate me dey say makase ho asem ba na wa akọ
say bia no ebe bia
obani ayi kwade asem ya na me kenya ma yi nyumi pacho bonyum no na yinyanto base nti wo say na nse na
yes
oh me
ba mo nchen
no me ma onyum tubi
me ba mo nchen na nwatwe
so na nse na e ba say na ne ho mfa no ba sisi de ne ho ato no ba me nyanto base yetie ne nyum ni bia na hu se no
nyene ade se ase ache
em say ya dwen na amaso ntem what I say wo say na say ogbo nyum bi ma amanfo te nyum na no so we ya de no ra nko e na say
ba ku ko ba say afwe na so bodam ode nyumba ku bi ba sa
neba anabade mi so wadamfo pa
say uname sick
I know a matters of Uganda
on the me na
but tie ne nsem no keka na ezo osi mu achampa
because no nyumba ku
ode me say inti nyum tuna me kai
me mama ya kunku no
ena eyi me come anim no
was you say en ko breast competition na mu di first
was
we was
okay o konfa no chi secondary school for you know was
when opokuare
na mo
opokuare for
you say ko breast na mu di
oh there discussions about breast so those kai na there crazy you see esu bibia
na mo de nufu sam de nyam mo asa open nufu
uzo okonfo number ku mama ya kunkun o kan sem bi wom so do adwene fa no se Anantiabre. Freeslim Nantum, Mama Kunkum,
Mama Kunkum, Watry.
Mind and Adam for Pan.
Okay, we are Roy and also come my name.
Okay.
What come for? Many a chat to them. Your Bamon Chang, and you come for you to ye Johnny. I will tell you, a chat to them at Jiragu. Yabamon child, who hear ye? Me ba mon china ma kemo se kanye. Mon koma chima chima jai. Me pa mo, mi chamo, enwani ma chimo. Me ba mon china ma kemo se kanye. Mon koma chima chima jai. Me pa mo, mi chamo, enwani ma chimo.
What a trash one. When you pay him one, that will pay what do the one day them could mamma will be when him is a man, and one man, and your problem. I was when you pano, when you party when I walk down to a 2 minute more. Sieno, mammy, a moose one, found one if you say we are see a woman. I'm Konamate, what about country, Nadia, what about my wow? I smart to a cat, I'm father home. And please say we are so I can't tell them from we'll be able to me come and him, me bunch them up shade. Oh, I am a beater. And ya when ya me so bad, me ya walk on them, me come and him, me bunch them up.
What's the worst now? Dear Pana, no,
the old patcher, no patcher. And he was one person. He was not fascinated about say me rhyme me say that once a while. Now, but on the oka what I say on deliver.
Sana, we so
there be a number of way the idiot.
There be a number of way na making you.
Then okay.
If we so can someone who has who didn't come over to baby a coffee. I want to make it.
Hey, you go be where you go.
Some me demo Morris
baby face. Okay, Sugar Hill side over there.
Me call na father abeda over 1 week. Na dey tie ni 1 week ko on pie kwan wa ku biare. Odu na pie studio wa na. What say be man na dem wo. Enti when I'm tell me say kwa den na wo ho. To no do no ya da no sori a wa ko se butu wa ye no. Ah. Ti ka cha say ya na do 2 nya be recording. Misamba stadium side no. But now one 2 na start go back to the studio. As I kwa dia kuma ya adaka kra. Na me record here. We anya sample yes about it. That time just what they are not just studio no dey. Training book. It open dey wa ye bi pa. Na na say no no drop. The no one say what you say I said yeah. But as at that time we really enjoyed him. Or you want to talk as well.
Yes, say. When Nana gives you a job, you do not resign. He takes his job back.
My way break.
Na me church asem che no.
What I say? Oma wadwuma bum kasa wa resign na bi. Ojina adwuma dia wajina adwuma.
Ana kwa mi die.
All I was saying, 2 years baby.
As a woman say, obeko 2 for no more. Before say be ma kwa ma na call ni bisa o. Ade kronti apese o kono.
Yeah, bounds.
Na omo be bisa wo a obeka kire om say adwuma na de ma me
na me dey ba.
Omo akra se ma mbeka kire wo abesan.
It is same be bisa se ba pay or break kwa oni we ka.
Yeah bi. Na o kro bia ye nyemre o. Ye nyemre.
Member friendly match so na ababa wa bi e friend no Evelyn the Unbreakable of France.
Strasbourg.
And or the message by him say and anu a ye can kotoko player ya kwa me be twetwe no
no me dem be to some new player one
afakwa
ya Dixon na so onim abante ne pa kwa me pese wa onu understand message we free France pa wa o kan
asuna na ya Dixon is a small boy
but na to wase ne kan ade gu my
mano hwe fidie no
na ya Dixon is a small boy. I was living in the same house with them in
last me kind or the buy my kind.
He's 1 year older than my first daughter. My girl will be 23 in December. He has this skinny body since childhood, and that hair since. So you have father say no. I say the Baba no be 23.
What's the Baba no be 23 December?
And I know you're 1 year older than.
Yes. Yes, so be anka jiro sefa.
Obani we dey quick one na me fa we ntwem ansa na we dey na ba say ye na ye bobo nti no bi ani awe so na ba ku get fi na ba enipa 2000 pen e konti house for entie ni ye no mo ko hyem
ansa na ya to
na be against
prizes no crowd supporters no su
popular stand na 70 Ghana
popular stand na
70 Ghana cedis. Center line no 100 Ghana cedis.
There be has ball no say 70 Ghana cedis.
About all na me go you popular stand no 70 Ghana cedis. Center line 100 Ghana cedis. And a lower VIP near 200 Ghana cedis. Upper VIP na 300 Ghana cedis. Kwakudientia ya the sound say. Boy ya we are hosting them.
2000 kranyama.
And I am 2000 Uncle Park. Exact 2000. You think fan kwajefu.
Go supporters ni team. So monte so.
Uncle Shemo.
Kwakumene. Na we dey this one say camp for him so we better tackle na omuhu apuo a nipa bia bom tin so mbebo okromanti na om say ne 2000 pe because anka we quarter park kran ko munya 70 Ghana e won kra Accra so folk team
full stadium so yen this ama
Accra so folk team we age 70 Ghana
match now say
hey
ade bia no
na time na my case mu gina mo na so kra na ye ko hwe blaster ball na ye je say
this is demand and supply
the why man
demand
na demand and supply no demand and supply there so baby ya
oi untimi fa time
ya brabo ayi
oh ya obo bi wa hwe na utua sika sa
since when you debate
Sule
it's not debatable
some no mo say about 22 why we there
why hwajuma
it is I fine
Adam
okay
we say sports ministry ni bem
na
because we killing the game.
I say some supporters no create him say
you are killing the game
too much.
70 guys.
Oh,
it come do
only 2000 people. It's here 24. What do you want to be quite traffic?
Kwame, I'm going to 2,000 per thousand for boarding and for 7 about phones.
Where? I think I'm
it's a nipa 2,000.
Yeah.
Not more than Moteso about from now. 2,000 or so. What the surprise here, DG? Nipa 500 depends on the bank.
Upa for 7 baby. And if I come gate with this price.
Mobesa could bogum said and I'm aware.
People will be at the back of the gate. I'm not for near Joe. Ghana for near J. I can't have to folk. It's to get 10 million from the call.
A penny, my mentor.
Who is California?
Mate, my mentor. A penny, the woman is there. Referee, our baby, this are match, you know. House of folk for Koji, Alisa would tell the man, say, Omra Medem. Said Macajo, say, match, and you go home party.
It debut, Mabao, into Monsono. Money the actually said, and Timo money in your boys here to Dubai.
Nah, of any referee in a house of folk Koji, Alisa Hotel, and a man. More room number banana.
Debbie.
Okay. Empty. Morocco found using information. Tiomso, a wana, almost yes, Omobeda.
Timo,
and I don't know.
And then because there's going to be some sort of transactions.
Yeah,
Cadoni to Mount Juan.
Eddie, or why is the referee, at least at Nakaka, but any get treaty. Maybe I'll call the Bianso.
Mobile monitor.
Or Jamie Macrana, the Metro phones. See, they say, I know what my referee. Oma Bukwari inti Ayaka. It's Homo Pe and Penvuni Managodao.
Another
Tuji Alisama referee them when so many sky where they.
My mentor. Namen called Dubai as I'm say Kwame Wahani teacher for Pans and Wuni. And Nanwa Omone Ayi Adabraka Wordes. Any teams you almost started almost pre-season, you know. Once you grab a transition, Mia Crames started say me chichi say. Say team started so pre-season now. Ope lower tier side. What you say? Hey.
Still on for phone into.
There was me I said you would be.
Boss on Zewrem.
I said, who would be in a woman judges are they?
What am I going to send the thing? But now who's that phone account? A penny, a too far lower tier side. And idea was so when they say,
Nasa same way I kawaha.
Oh no, I just on tears.
Yes, now I told him for Frona, almost more than then you do buy home Kubu woman name. I'm oh, Debbie, I'm a what's a penny? What's a penny? Born I born. Yeah, they should share your formation. What I say? You started prison and we cry the first match I ever. Yeah, they share formation. We cry no. A yan share home. And yes, I'm gonna bob share. Yeah, defend about
a crown of Conum and the one from another match brother.
On a send no pressure. Of any.
Deflection.
Yeah, share Obia a county or the any bread to get film ab Africa. You see. Yet to Tuniama, Amana Yakono, and the ministers are on one going business right to me to say, Kotoko, Eco do Dubai, baby, Dubai, is on Boko to Kudin. To grind also to Faho.
As a more labor camp, and
I know, Albata, hotel, no, hotel to them, what a home. But the mobile is the way labor camp. You're free, I can get
pictures of Ghana, and we know Dubai.
Of any. On the simple understand the Kamunya. Astrotef, your boom between Bebre. Even an amulet training. Sakura Park is an amulet training. Legon Park is a school from Corebe Park.
To buy and compose Sakura Park, but you have one yambo.
Yeah, now Baba Sakura. There you know Baba Boss Sakura Park. So, Kwame.
We'll crack yourself when you buy them.
Kwame.
Back again as a sign also no.
Somebody will walk across the I said, training across
the a young man, me Pachoa. 23-year-old.
I'll go back in you.
We, yeah, now Bansana, of course. See, as
I was going down going
to say,
when you choose a baby,
Obecope,
Obenin Pum Pussy and Missy
Edukubia Bona.
They say,
Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yes, sign one training match. I bebo. Dubai and Sunny Beba.
Now, Ufuno. Emma case be na show phone hoza.
And then never be all
Sisi ya never marry.
I don't have friend Muniru no kana any be.
And anti when colors no.
You call me the picture man Kotoko 4 ball ni we.
Eje ko na African.
Omo ni we no on player no small boy.
We picture we omo call you me train yen ne no try. Abada picture abada da.
We train kakra na wa.
There be ntisa die boy ya we is na den. O see there den. And now kind to are there no other pictures from Dubai? You.
Openi enti training aye no. Se eyo enyo me kai se 2007 omo hweso mo Africa.
E picture no hwe. Mo zanko fo ato mo ne ma wo hwe. E labor camp.
Are Dubai nti senior man.
Da bi enyo sa ba bi Dubai kwakuko Dubai no na ma wo nse mo.
Enyo Dubai. Onzo na ka Dubai ni bi.
Dubai ko fo hatata ne wa sa.
Enti omo ti omo ato mo ne ma we.
Ne ma wo ho.
Nim tri ase.
Me say mo park na mu twa ya mo betutu.
Na sa picture no pra na nya Dubai mpo. Sa picture we nya Dubai. We nya Dubai.
Say you to every
picture na you work progress keke went me ankuka we dey otimi nya wa down from ankuka
any ye training ye chain obi a ontu kwan da kura nkonko ye bie
no be try esen wachi
ye ne mo na keep program the munti mo house of folk munti nko bi poda Morocco kura mo bekoyi enkrofo no mo ba no work for no o mo the chartered flight eba
say house no house no o be share Ghana's best into oba so obo
na o mo ne ye be bo final ha no o mo the chartered flight na ba
when you covid
tie the American no
and trainer coach and trainer physical instructor
and the encourage nipa be so on be some
wo se o mo de
den ya say tie on be some ha
o mo de chartered flight flight na o mo de ba tie tie the American kire wo no time o mo ba je cap free Kotoko ho no chartered flight sa no mo de ba enti men kan kire say woni has na be bontina de me pesa me ka kire say yi sa 7 free say oni has be bontina o de sa flight na Uncle Bo AstroTurf and as a pitch papa so because Okobo for aqua pitch no horn. Listen. The pitch no horn and he said Dubai, Papa no horn. The Liga, the Anya was one. Until I uncle horn because all the better pitches than the Ohano. Tunya the any had any na pa. No, actually. Let me hear. Mr. Fatcher Mamma.
Uncle no huni. And yet here I am Munkobi.
Say you alliance war America as I will be with Germany.
No, present agency.
Support to alliance.
Be took pictures for her.
Togo. Togo pictures.
Me say obi e bua ohun picture no say dey Dubai.
Won fan chira me catch us ma me hwe. Ma me hwe picture no.
Ko na ka mo da ko jache. Na ma bom bo. Hwia, kwaku na ya website dey yeni aye de hwa de obi a bebo ne de ho ban na atimi na ko nanim e wa brabom. Kwaku no say wani dum ana obrabo edum ba ne sa. Enti yesi ya wani ma bi wo ha wo ya.
Se ka price ntimi ko na.
O so ko ya che.
And yes, I said, when you're wrong, glasses now, 5 times.
And I won't say,
you say, me ya na me Johnny baby.
There be a social say,
me ya the fifth one, I'm so, and I didn't know boarding.
There be don't answer crown. I correct when you know. That's how I correct.
Say, I didn't know it will feel
ni patenting this space.
We will see what the ball life for now say,
or the protecting and Nika.
The doctor chiche, so doctor and chiche.
Me say, question
when he man answer ni jadi o.
This one or koto ya na.
Obetimi a share to protect your eyes keke. Chemical be any say your friends and lens no dey ebeboa. Answer na wa she. Na yes wa anu akopa
na ba bonedum.
Na etu understand.
Ti ani ni ko no.
Ese trese se.
Ti obani kwesi we dey buza.
Ani no.
Ni bedum ni ku akubedum. Jino mi say question.
There you say. Medi be ye.
caveat bi ayi ho fa caveat bi
eno no kwaku no eye na mani be kwaso mu ne mo mprempren ya me hu na kwaku e ma no musu bi em dia e be ha eduma mi yesa
na ni no kata ni no be kata
oh say but I told him say we no so no we no so it depend on oyire so oba so super so because say see say any edum na kwaku no we be adwuma na oba won ne te no so wa hwe ya wa wunya we no ro we so
kwaku say bibia rekord a ade na ho mo
na we ka say it depend on oyire no odi onim oba bi ha hwe
ukita plug no obedum so na afọ
ode se ai mum de se ai mum pa de
enya da bia yusu at ani be yusu no
se ai mum de ni bienu na se bia du da bi no choice
ya ka se odobo wo de
no choice pa se
o me se de be kita plug no ache
me de ni bienu na me num bia
da bi se na woni choice ka se
da bi no choice pa
den pa so still when etwafa no da
so
ati ase
na ka kobra na betwe sekai edu ewia kete
ani die pa e fe
story bi asa kwa bi so dan no obi ni yire dan tu ko
sa de say nam say oso no ne da ye kapa oso da ye pe
na woni ni pa ko no ko twan so 80 year old man o akokra akokra no so da no na yire twa
oso ne da ye kapa nti
o da ye kan ti
o man nyansa no gase wu
o so ko he na adwi
serious
funny asa ko
downtown
after go see yourself mo
I'm sorry I'm meeting
maybe I no go check up
bia no kosra
asan bu afuni
kosra mo ja mo either way in from pipe internet
bia no kosra abusu IDC a yen fast dama proud sponsors na yen to aso enko ye nim Airtel Tigo tugum so promo ene ni wode abegum ya chese omoya fana ba bia it is raining cash baby ene nyene hwe wen cry twen wan iti de omu ni se Airtel Tigo Debbie, me fan ko ereza. Tugu mi su na druso. Eti efi sabre akopim December no. Obebi ni sikapa every hour, every day, every week, every month. Na grand cash price na kasa na 100,000 points. Bundle purchase and usage in so be bo na fi Airtel to go money transactions no so yes na dia na unya more cash. And I person double o points na ni na ne se na chese wo de call wani mu a nti men ye ja nkra fa ho hye Airtel to go mi so promo ubetimi enye sika kama pa mpacho so we ni bibia. There's only one number Airtel to go phone number no penny be contact you. Any other number aside this number I dey be ma no scam 0260 000 100 sa number we pay any edidi dwumadi no Airtel to go life is simple. Afi as dey on come Kel Charcoal toothpaste papa ya efi Samara Company Limited na FDA for so amu hwemu agya tum se eye how bia anyhow emonya good friends things be a was nso bia so no e clear ni nyina ye de bidie ya na ye de a chako ya na ye de aron kama pa obenya bia to ba bia if Samara Company Limited Kel Charcoal toothpaste or say happy smile ye fast dey on my Royal Drinks you go like am anonia de kama pa if Casa Preco Company Limited an ISO certified company Royal Apple, Royal Cola, Royal Orange, and then Royal Cocktail. We no money perfect flavors. No tipa choya pet showed one bako for chim kakrani adia. We pass your me. Are available in a shop near you. Just 2 cities 50 pesos. The door pan one phrase 0262 351 251 and 0272 133 373. Yabajo so na di ohia bia so no. Ye de asomo. Go TV say and can say ene with me are connected. Now why enjoy captivating moments on La Liga, Serie A, na Premier League, any other leagues I would do Pina Akana. Connected from as low as 48 Ghana cities. My bro using my Go TV app. Now they're con there been there for football, papa also wait me and your chef home. Go TV. Love it. Yan can for in boost herbal mixture amount. Police in the drone. Papa. Ejina now to say pampe. A year that 2x Nina. do any de say unya introduce no into your system eno ko nipadua na kwa ba bia problem bia wo bia na che say wahwe access problems in na e de few amona onwatimi eden e ma immune system na den it yare bia na infections bia background na eno atimi akon atia no King's Walk Herbal, Equals Pharmacy, Redama Pharmacy, Tribe of Judah Pharmacy, all alternative and dependable herbal shops across the country. Health Alert Shop at St. John's. And when you know, once a bit me, I can do the open phrase 0243 115 948 and 0246 208 496. Na ya Joso, na Selim Dika can do be on here be asono. Yet me, Eddie Asumo. Na weekend we know, oh, Shemupa dia. Anka akuapim weekend se na anu ada na ekwa weekend na mede me ho gym na otwe best queens na voter weekend ya mede me ho gym na we de wotim se anka akuapim weekend pa but besi na enu minya sponsorship bi antino me twen ene ya de kosi wo chena be prem to breast side ho no se hwe ansi de ene weekend me no ko weekend ya friends me no tema weekend ya na tese matramba bi enye sa na se bibi be bom de a ene ebeye mountains weekend what I say ye be ko na kuapem isa se okuapem a odura no ye twa den week we mu nyina ya sha se a tese ye twa odura den ya sha se 11th October nyame adom a 17th year e bayi Sunday and I say, ye dibia e ba wie. Ti to South Ghana phone nyina momra na we no chess activities in the dorsal part the legendary from dance competition you see the best so arts exhibitions awodo boxing bekoso na fe health worker koso soccer tournament just say live band music proper beer they celebrate just e more de it weekend we na nkasa the action nyina our mountains what I say ukuapema udura ayetwa den na share so sawo ba COVID-19 protocols ni na no ye hwede ni na so pepe na ehon krato ni na ho eka no Adom 106.3 FM Asempa 94.7 FM na fi Adom TV and afa DCS reso ama ye bohu de wuru na amanfo de omo agimu bie na is a weekend we no kuapim weekend sa pepe enete na yentie we na yenhye no so nyame adom a Sunday enya ebo 8:30 pet na TV no make sure say eda Adom TV na watimi ahwe the big talent show heavy pa size 2 Tapoli Shatta Wi-Fi Paul G and Kabako King Solomon Fred Obed Bieja Sinote, Short Prophet, Faith Power, Queen of Peace. Imudi na your favorite contestant. Koswa 2 vote ni man sa tugum sa ni ade na you said be compacho 8:30 sharp and the jumedi ebro wa Adom TV so in partnership with Darling Lemon alcoholic drink. Taste it, feel it. And Abobobo Betes Boswe. Supporting sponsors no Eco Spices 21st Century. Sciatica expert for Elohim Treatment Center or say area or hodi anaya sa Dominion about powder or #1 immune booster Bar Herbal Center Achemfo Bar or say yare when na bedwane or no or expert a bone related disease na dumpim or be cut to ye kra the big talent show or say want to mean take obey that attack on mbebu yeah careful afei the 12th edition of the EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair and also nyame adom yeah, they brought powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats. This year theme no or say home ownership to build or to buy. Say IEC and the AC we are koto. Ye hwena yetimi ehunu baby this year. Baswa Accra International Conference Center from Wednesday the 27th to Sunday the 31st of October 2021. 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily. Now there's going to be lots of activities, giveaways, PNAB, PFN, no, so don't be left out. Obeti me follow on our social media platforms with the hashtag Joy Habitat Fair. Nation to say COVID-19 protocols ni now so you better ediso or fair no ase. Further inquiries via phrase 0546 908 179 and now 0540 110 389. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair is brought to you in partnership with EcoBank, the Pan-African Bank, and powered by the Planned City Extension Project from Cities and Habitats, Rent to Own, and sponsored by Elegant Homes and General Construction, where quality meets value. DBS Industries, we truly are your roof expert. Duraplast, where Duraplast goes, water flows. Renters Paradise, we help people and properties find each other. And our Gold Key Properties, building prestige since 1997. The EcoBank Joy News Habitat Fair, everything housing. And no, asem, and no. Now, I be the idea so to oppose here na fe yahwe dwumadi ne kai dia to aso no. Share son kwa Go TV e dey ma e wo October abosumi mi. O che October e dey full of endless captivating drama. Go TV and a home of Europa and Conference League matches here because we never miss a day with your favorite football stars. Now for Go TV abroad, boundless novellas, Obeshe Strange Love, and for Mariam Khan on Star Live, and our Perfect Husband, Sanso, and our Money Merchants, Nina Ye Z World, as well as Lolly's Luck, and also Ye Telemundo. Afe open mind blowing local series Papa Pani movies there. Now I switch it to African Magic Family and now African Magic Epic and now Rock GH. You better rock your come up. And if you are yearning for more football action, then we've got you covered with Serie A, La Liga, EPL, and Afe Dutch, Belgian, and Scottish leagues. Nina so. Yeah, the air bro. So rush now for your new Go TV decoder set at a reduced price of 89 cedis only. Obey to me at a new decoder with an SMS. And one say obey send it Go TV at the short code 1731. You best sort of come. Equally, wait me at downloading my Go TV app. No one need your account no with ease. Terms and conditions apply. Go TV, love it. Young Fantry and Nafi. Yenshwe bakumienu na yenkwenu so easy cry. I'll say today is my son's birthday. Big him up for me small. Why? He's Edimbenye. Is it Leif Papa Kwisi Kuju or okay, ode eche me patro obeye yi abanwa me hu pronunciation yi ya why na obey din de or Stanford School, no a condition. We if ne papa and then my mention Frankujo and Odiwi a tomb. Na you really say na the do one so no. Or say shout out and come Alex Akay or Divine Barbering Saloon, or Wisconsin University in Potemwa, me baba no na obojuma kama pa. Okay. And you're not a channel. And happy birthday, so I come out, Mrs. Betha Nogbedzi, or Christ the King Women Fellowship, Sebrepo. May God bless you and grant you all your heart desires from your husband, Rockefeller, and children, William, Miriam, and Irene. Have a good one today, my love. The other twaso, I don't know. Okay. Real quick, happy birthday and come out Rosina Agri, aka Kakra. Loyal listener, pa, Osiris interest, our Caprice Rudy Yaso. May God bless you and bless your new age and make you excel in all your endeavors. We, if you're African in change. Oh, Anayawa. And this one here says, kindly wish Princess Daphne Charity Ochewa a happy 7th anniversary for us, and a happy birthday to you, Princess. You are 7 years old today. Blessings, wisdom, knowledge, God's protection is what we ask for you. With the Uncle Kwabna Jolof and the Siduamwako family of Tema Community 5, they wish you a happy birthday. On that note, Yenua Ena Yebeko.
Semisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence, the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite go so na me srea. E ya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste e le twitwi me se. Oba de ne pa e wo bidie mu no. E ne de aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye e ne numunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de ma Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwasro etibinama. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania maame no di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no MSC fita e mana hoden ne sayi nka bia no wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
When we send your police in your draw, Imbusaba Mesa Amama Huaden.
Refuse to grow, and your offense were back.
And what day immune system when Yankopon, and you're ready for Yanamusa Moya Hubano, and Nasa Wunum Imbusaba Mesa, a Peja immune system Nabribia, Yariantimu. Sasa dear, a month for the one, the Imbusaba Mesa, Dodua dance say, and Yarwa who ran Nipa and Nina Etimi Banaso, and in Yarwa Cassian Kaya Wutini D and a honka. No, Yamwa suing in no, a boy who buy every home. And now one pa, one Yarwana dada, no monum doctor and Rono, and num Imbusaba Mesanoa, and Moma who are deep in tea. Ya womuntim pose, Yaria Esomo. Imbusaba Mesa, a walk Kaisi, and you may move Bia Yato in row, at to form friend 0246 20 8496. FDA, Ashisha said, Jadian Cratui, Maja to Musay.
Ghana hadie to go me so nyum no no bia de sao efri se Airtel Tigo sikanso no pitibu bia so go me so Airtel Tigo piti free cash data ne community a wo be friend network bia ego bia so don shiri bia de bia sa ko si December e wo to go me so promo ne mo na chede botin won so anka se siswo no e 100,000 Ghana cedis cash ane 100,000 Ghana cedis mo but star 500 hash recharge na ko so afa Airtel Tigo di ujuma bia the wetimi abekani pampempema wo be win sika be bro 1 million Ghana cedis no ho entibu trend dia iwonia but star 500 hash is here.
Airtel Tigo, life is simple.
Semisoriano pa, Kel Chaco toothpaste na me de twitwi me se. E ma me confidence, the money nyina.
Se wushia ama na me sifite go so na me srea. E ya wanwa me de Kel Chaco toothpaste. E le twitwi me se. Oba de ne pa e wo bidie mu no. E ne de aye Kel Chaco toothpaste. E boy se ho ban e free mowa e boy se mu tokro. E se ahye e ne numunka. Sure say amani Kel Chaco toothpaste so nie. Yet center for.
Me de ma Kel Chaco toothpaste atubu. Me use na no pa na dwa me koda no. E ma me sinye fita. Confidence level kwasro etibinama. Na me sin 32 ni na guso.
Enkane no ania maame no di bidie twitwiri yense no asaya bebie mu bidie wo Kel Chaco toothpaste mu no MSC fita e mana hoden ne sayi nka bia no wonum ye hwam enunti mo amonom coffee wine any tobacco e kamo seso no abama mo Kel Chaco toothpaste sankofa yenchi
Kel happy smile
FDA adi edwedin krato ya tomo.
Honey. It's office won't na winim Aquataps food safe na. Salad ni nuaba udi ni debiano. Aquatap food safe. And I'm do ho. Asana we dio.
Omo sounds wo Aquataps water purification tablets. Omo a omo de ebulu munsuo, efom nsuo, suru nsuo, eni nsuo a ehonte e de ye wonda ada adwuma a emfa o how bia embre. Osan kwada yisu mapomudin so ehia ye pa. Eno nti na mato Aquataps surface disinfectant. Yetime de paper surfaces bia ema ehonte. No nti hotels, restaurants, hospitals, sachet water manufacturers. Eni fie mu Aquataps abama mo say ebejen it will phone for Health Top Up Services Limited. It was 050-169-4275 Kumasi and 020-907-7726 Accra and 024-459-3381 Koforidia. Ubenya Aquataps were pharmacies, drugstores and supermarkets.
FDA aji edwedi nkratui atum.
Masa, mubra
Bright Soldier capsules. Dima Sama Mamio. Share.
Because on Kwana new Bright Soldier. A free bram is shall say some use Bright Garlic Plus. No, men sanity Ninano, Menusu and Chimmy, and Manuma Tunino, a giant winning out the same.
Bright Soldier, it's me general body pains. Nasam Waba, and Wabama Tinka, a Costro Papa, a year Jumasum Quina.
Hey,
Quack Pharmacy, Kameka, and the Herbal Shop will be a Mukajo Bright Soldier and a Bright Garlic Plus. A Tufunko Greenfield Scientific Herbal Clinic, a Wonungwa Dogon, last stop, SL Junction, Flower 0243-983-906.
And 0261 651 898. Bright Garlic capsules. And you drew that FDA. I should just say a gradient cratway. I just to say, yeah.
Say, Lonat, 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 Lonat. Hey, Lonat, 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 Lonat. Lonat, Lonat. Then come cotton. Lonat, Lonat, Lonat. Malaria, super Lonat.
Everybody follow not sa malaria. A 3D till Lonat now. Malaria too. Popo. What really do? I want them. Lonat. Adabako. Lonat. Adamienu. Lonat. Adamiensa. Lonat. No. Lonat scatter malaria. Lonat it scatter malaria.
A quality product from Blaze GVS Pharma. Yenshishemu who se malaria wa umojum ansana wanum Lonat. Na nami search na malaria no daso wa hwa ko hu dokota.
This advert is FDA approved.
Anopabia num Hollandia Evap Milk. Vitamin B12 ne calcium womb na ni gumunu so akono. Hollandia Evap Milk mano paye de papa. Ejedi nkratwe FDA agiatum.
Ago class. Mental. Edieni mienu eni miensa.
Edionu miensa.
Mienu eni enai.
Edionu nai.
Mienu eni enum.
Sonata.
Efi edienu num aye ne mo atena ewo edidi mu ni. Osa British ya yi bi mu no. Ye chi Hyundai Sonata mono chiao. Baku edienu num. Eni sika chedi debre. Ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Kosua fa MTN no mane fe wadofo no. Na kasa. For text, for browsing. For isika. Ne for send isika. Ewo momo no so emprepi. Enumu na ubenya points a. Ubiti di Hyundai Sonata edienu num a eye mono chiao ni mu bako. Eni sika chedi pi. Bosu media ewo MTN at 25 promo ni mu. Posta 156 eni ya. Na se wakwentu a wudi bedi achedi kisi bi ase. Ewo MTN in Kwanso. Everywhere you go.
Na wo say he na no me bofo awo soap nim ene ma foforo na ade ahyemu ma say to wedi lotana
akole me hinta some advanced Ghana savings and loans.
Advanced Ghana savings and loans ento betumi abo me mama nya bosia bua madwuma yi mu
ani
mensie sika wo hoyi wo betumi abo me
oni how gra advance hwe ne sanso na wo bosia to nema gu shop mu ana wato mfidi foforo ana wo de akoyi oniama wakra ba enye den kra wadwuma nkonto gina advance aha wotie wo bo menkaye won saka deposit dia me fa momo account no so akugu wo mobile banking service ni mu enti wetumi sika sem tutu nyina every mobile phone so abribiara.
Wow, Matia Samdapa na bro Kofi mende hu advance foi
call Advanced Ghana Savings and Loans and Krabate Dionu a ewo omaya fana bebia for toll free 0800 355 355 ana anyone in kita ho wo abefo efidient ntankase ne so www.advancedghana.com. Advanced Ghana yane wo nyini bom
Afrishiapa afia twamfete abompempa betu yembiu Ojura afia no ahia bio every 11th October coming 17th October ukapman betu ojura joda elumfu ni abrafo be kwa kobo kwan ekoye ne no matra kan e yama mprobi branda no pa krubi fo be yama ne apai ode foforo na no be kwa mamprobi akoye amane akofo ojura abogu apehine ahemfi ukuda okuyapman bezu akai na no ma afenu mu wokọ won sumanchi yauda yokuyapman adidida na obe yama ne akonsori makoma na no maduan yauda nara efi anopa no nsia kosi nonkron obeko health work akotene won pom ni fida no anopa no otwe kosi nondu no obeko akoduadu adua wo mam nim fida no ara dwumadi ahoro bi ti say ice screening big soccer osade soccer tournament inter school quiz competition Mr and Miss Okuapman e de ne ekeka memory da what the dwumadi bi ti say basketball competition weightlifting phantom from asan ho agukansi betu aso kwasida no Okuapin ne manfo beko akoda nyame ase na wo fi asore ba what the dwumadi bi ti say big soccer kabom street champs e wa abananim na nanwumre no otwe kopim duba akono wo de akuturu bo akansi ahyehyɛ so dwumadi asɛmti a ɛda so ne sɛ yenam yen amane ne amamre Kwanso eriko Okuapman bom so man biako Okuapin ne osi ade akwasi akufu a otoso abiesa akufu sabrin pom kukuabene ananse owo apem osukuro ni owo ahofaduru na akwase bosompra na oni akramo ne abrempom ne de asi kan se biri kotobiri ja ne manfu so mama frisia po mfingu mumfeso akwahosan openya nkwam ahoden nko na batape man nko na batadi ntu akwenti mfingu nsin de be kukuria no mosi muti ase no esika kokko de de achichiro Okuapman ye krabehwe Okuapman ti ase
Adom 106.3 FM Asampa 94.7 FM Adom TV and Okuapman Enebo Ojra 2021 Hoka
Biara me de Vodafone cash best send sika free akọ network fufuro biaso no beti sound the we are penetrate semi fast so be dra only 1% and now 1.5% charges biara ni asem free transfer wo Vodafone cash so na eko onia e masika ketwa bia ho kwanyo Anio, si sika dodo na abra wo di Vodafone cash send sika ko network dodo na so charges biara kan ho send sika dodo emprend dodo bia ope ko network biara ope so abra yente o kapra kra na si sika fama enyome hu hia o masika ketwa biara ho kwai dial *110# na send sika free
Vodafone.
Ofie Kwanso with the me and Jerry Justice on Adom 106.3 FM.
Oh yeah. If you put your body on me, I put my money on you. I put the dollar on you, girl. If you put your body on me, then I put my money on you. I put my dollar on you, girl. Oh girl, you looking so amazing. For you, I think I'm going crazy. Oh girl, your body's so amazing, and I don't wanna leave your side. Put your body on me, I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl. Put your body on me, I put my money on you. Put the dollar on you, girl. I go make you see that.
Abuja yen to check fama Vodafone. Now for quickly yen link up with Mommy Boats. Na enakwe Thursday. Fele wa hono. Onya mu man wo ko. Na if you are yen ko ye baby ebende. Na ni na say Vodafone at the good morning offer Abba. Now say good morning bundle way ma unlimited calls to Vodafone numbers. Unya 5 minutes talk time to other networks. A band data and 500 MB at Temusa. Bundle a Juma or any other bundle be best subscriber no SO. Yes, and our bundle be also the BIA. So just call the short code 543 or dial *543# to subscribe to the Vodafone Good Morning offer for only $1 Ghana cedi. Terms and conditions apply. Vodafone. Together we can. Mommy Boat.
Roger.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
And
good
how
evening.
are you doing?
Oh, what a shot, bro. Let's switch it.
Why are you speaking Chi?
Let's switch it up.
Yeah, so I was kind of wondering.
Okay.
All right.
I don't want to buy the pizza, you know. I don't want to be the one to buy the pizza.
Sure. All right, so what's cooking today?
Okay, so a lot of things are popping, but let me give you what's important.
Right.
Okay. Some sad news here.
Sad news?
Sad news, yes, because you know Kofi Lang.
You mean kosher?
No, breathalyzer. There's a kosher.
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 Yes. Go and look.
Oh, this is sad news.
Oh yeah, but you know the man himself will make you laugh. So yeah, you know what I'm saying. Yeah.
So we know he died not so long ago, and tomorrow happens to be his 1 week celebration, and it's on our page. So if you are watching and you want to see Kosher's 1 week, the artwork that was done, we've put it there.
Oh, okay.
On Adom
he was 76.
Yes.
76, okay.
Yes.
Right.
So we are celebrating Uncle Kosher's 1 week. But Uncle Kosher died long time ago. About 1 week, say. I doesn't understand. But whatever the case is, we will need people to go and support family.
Sure.
Family. But today, when I saw the artwork or the poster, I began to think, I was wondering how this man led his life, because this is a man we saw entertain us.
Yeah.
Even me, when I was just a little girl, I grew up seeing this
entertained
man
all of us.
entertaining us.
All of us.
So, Jerry, I think that let's pay him some kind of courtesy, Let's viewers or listeners call in and tell us what their fond memories of Kosher are.
So, okay, so we should activate the phone lines now.
Let's activate the phone lines.
For our listeners to call us.
Yes.
And share with us whatever it is that you know about
him for
the
most. But what do you remember about him the most?
Honestly speaking, when I was that young, it was kind of hard for me, sort of comprehending everything that he was giving out. He speaks this kind of deep fancy, you understand?
So
and
the deep fancy.
Yeah, sometimes it takes some time for you to kind of digest it well. So yeah, it was kind of hard.
Okay, so comprehensive fancy.
But his demeanor alone will even make you laugh.
Yes.
Yeah.
As for the comedy, he was always on point.
Yeah. All right. So we have someone on the phone line. Hello.
Hold on.
Hello.
Yes. Good evening.
Good evening.
Boss, what's the name?
Ekwapim.
Oh, Ekwapim, how is it going?
I'm fine.
Okay, so what do you remember about this man?
I remember, if you inquisitive.
Oh, can you speak up a little bit?
I'm saying if you are inquisitive, my mom will call you Kosher because he's always
yes, he used to play that character,
Yes. So my mom would mostly call people who are gossips and inquisitive.
We call them Kosher. Oh yeah, that's that. I mean, he will go and chop concern right now.
That's the brand,
and come and stand with you as if
that's the brand, That's the brand.
All right, hello.
Yes.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I'm fine.
And,
I am happy. Why?
What? Hello.
Today is English.
Yes, today is English. Yes.
Today is English. You are forgiven. You can go ahead and tell us.
Okay, so go on.
Oh, he's someone that we love so much. And love his movie.
Hey.
The movie that I like is History Colonial. Whatever. I forgot the title of the movie, but anytime that I watch that movie, I like it.
All right, it's okay, sister. You go and have some rest, okay?
Generally.
Hello.
How do you say English?
English is heavy. Hello.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, good evening, boss.
Good evening, Siwawa.
Please, my name is not Siwawa. My name is Jerry. What's your name? What's your name? Oh, are you there?
From Kasra.
What? Felix. Okay, so Felix, what do you remember about the man Kore?
All right, Kona Koshe. Man, on set, he is humbleness and faith. So you might not know the other side of him, but
in school. We've learned a lot from him. Yes. So rest in peace. Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much, bro.
Roger, let me highlight a little bit on this point that he was making. You know, there's this movie that was shown where he was an inquisitor. He was also a negotiator. So he would bring families together and resolve issues. Sure. And some of the proverbs he would use and
kind of fast walk, like fast move, like when he's done chopping the
take that to another information from there, bring to another place. That the two people before you go and celebrate this legend. We will all be there in our numbers. So but let's end it here. My name has been Mami Boatema, the Fantasy President. Oh yes, all the time. The President of the Brothers and Sisters Association. I'm out.
All right, thank you. The BBS na fe the enumere no sia Kasia Bonso atwa so enti mane nkoso a nenda ya Adom 106.3 FM, of course Ghana's #1 radio station. Yes, and that's what it is. But my man Renfi said DSTV said October day or many more dead amount pa because or the Sanko Fast season 2 no Abril and I feel so cry no was exclusive Europa and the Conference League matches now on Super Sport na fe the new season of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills and so they go on One Magic and they are unbeatable every week beyond so about Wakwem and then DSTV catch up. If you miss an episode with me I share your favorite series no na I catch up what I say and DSTV premium subscribers no be show max added for free. Compact na fe compact plus subscribers and so e be show max for 50%. And then captivating where EPL, La Liga, and face here our games now on DSTV. It's in Bachaman Sanka new DSTV decoder with installation and 1 month access subscription for only 169 Ghana cedis. So wait me out to all the affair no so DSTV. This is your moment. On that note, most definitely, it's check out time.